Hi, everybody. This is Carlita Nelson, and I am coming to you today to review and go over and help everybody understand the Fortune and the Follow-Up Tracker. And this is a tool that I believe is going to be a game changer for people because we know, and we've been taught from day one, I'm 15 years into this business, that our fortune is in our follow-up. And we work really hard, you guys, to put Arbonne out there and to talk to people about Arbonne, but we also know it takes more than one touch for people to get connected to Arbonne and or start using or living Arbonne in any way. And so what we know is if we stay with people longer and we do a good job of following up and helping people, understand more and hear enough information that they can make a good decision on how they want to use Arbonne, what they want to do with Arbonne, and what they see they can do with Arbonne, that we're going to get maximum results out of all the activity that we do. And so if I'm going to be doing something that takes me away from, my family or my friends and things that I want to do for my life, I want to make sure that it's worth it. And doing great follow-up is what's going to make your time spent away building your business worth it, because it's where you're going to make your fortune. So this is the tracker that we have developed for you. And this is where you get to write in which month you are working on. The goal, we know, is still to get in front of 40 faces telling your eye story, the Arbonne advantage for our products, and the product information that you're sharing, and then the three options that we have for people to be able to participate with Arbonne. That's every time you do that in front of somebody, put their name down as one of your faces for that month that you've shared Arbonne with. The goal is to sell at least 8 Arbonne special value packs. It can be any of the 3 that we have, the makeup line, the nutrition line, and the skincare line. But 8 of those a month is going to give you a $2,500 building block, which we know one of those is a good goal to consistently hit every month in your business, because we know we're sharing with new people each month. But it also, when you help other people learn how to do this, 16 2,500 building blocks is regional vice president equals 40,000. And then we want to be adding 1 to 2 new business builders with our activity. And when we do good follow-up, you guys, we're going to find business builders that want to join us. The success tip that I have for you is that every one of the faces that you talk to should connect you to 1 or more faces, and that's how your business is going to grow. When you do better follow-up, they're going to like you. They're going to build relationship with you. They're going to like Arbonne better. And the more they like you, the more they like what they're using with Arbonne, the more they're going to want to share you with other people. And that's how each face is going to connect you and help you get in front of more faces. So those are the success tips and how and why we're doing this. But here's just some what it looks like. If you have a group event, these are some of the details that you want to write in so that you know and can remember who you're working with and what you're, trying to accomplish and help somebody do. And these are things that you want to do, from sending a thank you note to making sure that their order got delivered, to making sure they opened up the box and are using the products and don't have any questions, to making sure that they're not, needing to reorder or maybe cross-sample over to another product line and start looking at using some of the other products that Arbonne has because they're loving the ones they started with so much. And maybe even book another event for you, or book an event and share you and Arbonne's products with their friends and family. And then we're going to help them, that be the test run for their business, and invite them to do this as a business, and also let them know that there's auto ship options for them to be able to take advantage of, so they never have to run out of the products that they have now learned to love. So this is just a general, checklist for you to go along and go, have I done all of this with each person that I've had and met at my group events? This is a box that you can use to follow along with people that are needing to reclaim their preferred client rewards or to renew as a preferred client, and different things that you can do with them. And it's basically along the same lines as the things that we did up here, from cross-sampling to booking event to inviting people to come into your business, making sure that they're getting all the new products and product updates, and giving you an excuse or a reason to call them and to touch base with them and see how they're doing and what else they might be interested in trying. Then we have a box for samples and the information you have here, and then basically helping them learn why they would want to use the sample, what they're going to notice 3 days after they start using it, after they've used it, are they going to want to order? Would they like to then book an event and then look at the business because they're loving it so much? And then the social media posts, which is huge, you guys, because it's such a big part of our business today. And what do we do with all of those comments and those posts that are out there? And this just helps you go through another little checklist from, saying thank you to the comments and responding to comments that are made on your post, to sending private messages and helping them get introduced to the Arbonne difference, trying samples or booking appointments, following up with them, and ultimately inviting them into the business. You'll notice a business invite is on every one of these, because that's what we do, is we always end up, getting to the top of our funnel and helping people do the best option for them, which is doing this as a business. And the last option box to follow up with is referral and new contact. Who sent somebody to you, or who did you meet when you were out and about, and what was the connection and how did the connection get made? And then again, introducing them to Arbonne's difference and doing the sample, making sure they like it, or getting an order, booking an event, and ultimately getting an invitation to take a look at the business and start the business. So this is our Fortune in the Follow-Up Tracker, and I highly recommend, and I believe on my heart, that this needs to be something that you carry around with you in your monthly, weekly, daily success tracker, and work these two documents perfectly, tracking along with the activity that you're doing for your business, and you will see success, and you will see success bigger, better, and faster than any other time you've done it in your business, because you're implementing and doing what we all know works the best in our business, which is follow-up. So you guys, I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, get with your upline VP and they'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much, and just know we're committed to your success.